Today I will show you how to change a YouTube channel personal name to something more meaningful. Also, in the description below are links to more video tutorials about using YouTube. Up in the search bar, type youtube.com and press Enter. In the top right corner, press Sign In. My private details are covered up. I don't have a picture yet, just the letter A for Adam, which was allocated by YouTube. After pressing on Your Channel, press on Customize Channel. Change from Layout to Basic Info. Click on the pencil to change the name. I changed name from Adam Smith to Awesome Adventures and added a description about the channel. Scrolling down, you can see that the URL hasn't changed. If you follow these instructions, you can also change your personal channel name while retaining the URL and uploaded videos. If you found this video helpful, please look in the description below for YouTube links to more video tutorials on how to use YouTube. Also listed below are YouTube links to my 6 main YouTube channels. YouTube members, if you wish to be advised of future videos from any of my 6 YouTube channels, please subscribe to them and ring the bell.